I've had this KitchenAid blender about 20 years, and the last time I went to use it, this rubber coupling that spins the blades completely disintegrated and shredded itself. There's nothing left except the metal right now. And there's still bits of rubber in there I have to clean out. Normally what happens, it grabs onto this wing nut looking thing and that spins the blades. So you can get replacements. I got a kit on Amazon. I'm going to try replacing this. The model number on this one includes KSB5. So there's a coupler that's common to a whole lot of blenders with similar model numbers. The kit I bought on Amazon comes with 2 replacement couplers and a metal tool to help hold this steady while you remove the old one. So one of these can just thread on here and then hopefully everything will be good. So first make sure it's not plugged in, because it's never a good idea to work on equipment with moving parts that could somehow turn on. So the shaft in here needs to be grabbed by the tool and lock it in place. So you just try moving it until it fits in like this. And it's a left-handed thread, so you have to turn this clockwise to loosen while holding the shaft steady. So I'm going to use channel locks, and then turning the channel locks clockwise. Now it's loose. That just comes right off. And the new one will just go on counterclockwise. It just needs to go on by hand, and it will tighten itself while in use. Now I'll get this plugged in and see if it works.